Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the incredible features of the Shark HydroVac MessMaster Wet-Dry Corded Vacuum Cleaner, a 3-in-1 powerhouse that vacuums, mops, and cleans itself for a deep clean on hard floors and area rugs. This modern marvel tackles both wet and dry messes with powerful suction and hydro mopping, ensuring a streak-free finish. Thanks to its continuous self-cleaning system, the Shark HydroVac starts clean and stays clean, preventing dirt from being redeposited on your floors, and the rinse cycle on the dock ensures it's always ready for the next use. Designed for multi-surface cleaning, it effortlessly handles sealed hard floors like hardwood, tile, marble, and laminate, and even freshens up area rugs by removing surface dirt and odors, making it perfect for pet owners. The 12 ounces multi-surface concentrate with odor neutralizer technology instantly reduces and prevents odors from reforming, while the debris filtration technology in the dirty water tank makes emptying quick and easy by separating solids from liquids. With an extra-large clean tank that maximizes cleaning efficiency through smart suction and flow control, and an LED display that allows seamless mode transitions and real-time monitoring of battery life and tank levels, this vacuum is designed for convenience and performance. Included with the Shark HydroVac MessMaster are 12 ounces multi-surface concentrate, a brush roll, a foam filter, and a rinse cycle dock. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.